Uh, Hello everyone. Very recently, I ordered this uh, crimp straightener from Nova. So, what I liked about this is it really works very good, and I'll just show this to you. What's good in using this is if you have thin hair, when your volume is not much, when you don't have a very loud volume for your hair, on your hair, so this can be used to increase your volume. How that works, I would just like quickly like to explain this. uh, when What I usually do is, when I get my hair washed, after that, just the front portion, I just keep it as it is. Just keep my hair in their natural waves. As you could see, my hair is a bit wavy. This is not, they are not proper curly or straight, they are just wavy. So half of the section I just comb it properly and crimp it with the straightener. So what it really does is, it gives volume to my hair whenever I tie a ponytail, or I just keep my hair open. So because of the crimps which I made on the later half of my hair, the back here, the hair towards my back, so it gives volume to my hair. And how does this work? I would like to show its performance. I will just take a small section of my hair and just crimp it. You need to keep your hair loose so that it gives its effect properly. hmm As you can see, the crimps, they are forming very beautifully. So I parted it the other side to show you the effect it really gives. So this really gives a bit of a good volume to your hair whenever you just run your fingers through your hair, or even if you keep it open, this gives a very good look. uh, yes, the because of the creams, the texture becomes a bit um, rough to touch, but so far as I have used, and I have not seen any kind of damage in my hair. And as we all know to nowadays, we take special care of our hair because we come across such things, many such things. So this is the um, quick effect it leaves. And honestly, if we it works just like the straightener which we use to straighten our hair. On my with If I talk about myself, when I use a straightener, because there isn't much volume in my hair, so whenever I use a straightener, the effect remains at least 2 to 3 days. I mean, if until and unless I wash my hair remains straight. And same goes with this crimping effect. This remains till the time I wash my hair. And if you are going out somewhere for a couple of days, you can keep it like this, and eventually after hair wash, your hair would come back to normal. And it really gives a very good good look whenever you, even if you keep your hair open or you tie a ponytail. It really gives a very good look because your hair looks very much voluminous. So so this was my quick review for Nova. It's quite. I was expecting a bit bigger in size, but as long as it works good, I'm happy with it. Thank you.